Hello there, myself Amy, and we have our friend with us Alfie. Our topic in this video is shoulder surfing. Before we begin,
please like, share and subscribe for getting an alert as soon as we release new content. Shoulder surfing is not a common term, but it sounds intriguing. Let's explore it together.
Shoulder surfing is like playing detective in real life. Imagine you're at a busy place, like a café or a store, and you see someone typing on their computer or phone. Well, some sneaky people might try to peek over their shoulder to see what they're doing.
Why do they do it, Amy?
Well, some people are just nosy.
Like when you peek at someone's test paper.
Yes, correct, but others might have bad intentions. They want to steal your info, like your password or credit card number, to do naughty things. In the context of cybersecurity, shoulder surfing refers to a type of social engineering technique.
I would like to understand social engineering in other video, Amy, but for now, please tell us more about how shoulder surfing works. This will help me and our viewers to correlate shoulder surfing in real life.
Okay, Alfie, shoulder surfing involves an attacker physically observing someone as they reveal private information. The victim typically uses an electronic device such as an ATM, a computer, or a phone.
Any scenario you would like to mention to elaborate more?
Imagine you're at an ATM withdrawing cash. The attacker positions themselves in such a way that they can watch you enter your PIN. If you leave the ATM without ensuring that your transaction has fully completed, the attacker could potentially access your account using the stolen PIN. Another example is Yeah. Imagine you're working on your computer in a public place, such as a cafe or library. The attacker positions themselves nearby, watching your screen and keyboard. They aim to capture sensitive data, such as passwords, credit card numbers, or other confidential information.
Thank you, Amy. We understood how shoulder surfing works in real life. However, if you can explain the methods used by an attacker, that will help us and we will be more cautious.
Sure, Alfie. Number 1, direct observation. The attacker looks over the victim's shoulder to see sensitive information being entered in ATM or computer or on mobile, paper, etc. Number 2, optical technology. Some attackers use binoculars, miniature video cameras, or other optical devices to spy on victims instead of direct observation. Number 3, crowded public places. In crowded areas, attackers can easily see screens or overhear conversations, making it easier to perform shoulder surfing attacks.
Oh, great, Amy, that would help. But how to prevent shoulder surfing attacks?
Always you have to be very cautious, Alfie. Few recommendations are: be aware, always be conscious of your surroundings when entering personal data. Shield your screen, position yourself to prevent others from directly viewing your screen. Use privacy filters. Consider using privacy filters on your devices to limit the viewing angle. Cover keypads. When entering PINs or passwords, shield the keypad from prying eyes. Avoid public conversations. Be cautious about discussing sensitive information in public places.
Thank you, Amy, for great insights on shoulder surfing. To summarize, we understood till now from Amy is: remember, vigilance and awareness are key to protecting yourself from shoulder surfing attacks.
Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe to motivate us for creating good content.